Hello, what's up YouTube? Photographer ronnixphotography, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily match or even out skin tones using Photoshop. So you can see this is the before and this is the after. You can see the face was not matching with the rest of the body, and sometimes this is as a result of when they apply makeup on the face, and it leads to, or it makes the face be different a little bit from the body. So you can see before and the after, and we have just been able to match and even out skin tones using Photoshop. So before we proceed, I'll simply delete this and simply request you to like this video, because when you like the video, it helps you to push and recommend this video to many people out there. And don't forget to subscribe this channel if at all you are watching and you're not subscribed yet to this channel. So I'm just going to come and I demonstrate for you. You can see if I told you first of all analyze the image. The face is having more of the yellows, and you can see the rest of the body is having more of the magentas. Then we just want to match the face. So the face is going to be the reference point for the matching process of the skin tones or skin color. And we just want to copy colors from the face or skin tones from the face, and we apply the same skin tones to the rest of the body. So I'm just going to demonstrate that for you. So we are going to come to adjustments right here and left click and come and simply select the gradient map. So when you come and click on gradient map, it is going to apply a filter over your photo or over your image. So what we want to do, we are just going to come and hide the gradient layer by clicking on this visibility icon, and you come and you select the gradient icon right here. So make sure the white layer mask is not selected. Make sure you come and left click over the icon to select the gradient icon in this very case. So after selecting the gradient icon, we are just going to come back to where it says properties, or where you can locate the gradient properties. So under gradient properties, simply come right here and simply left click on the color right here. So you left click once and it's going to open up the gradient editor. So when you open up the gradient editor in this case, what we want to do, we are just going to come and copy colors from the face and we place them on this kind of line right here. So when you come and notice this kind of line, make sure you have put the gradient type to solid. So make sure solid is selected and smoothness is set all the way to 100%. So after doing that, we just want to copy colors from the face like I've told you. Simply left click on this. So you left click once on this pointer right here, and when you left click on the pointer, come and make sure the sample size is set to 5x5 average. So sample size 5x5 average. So after doing that, you left click on this left hand pointer. The left hand pointer is going to represent the darkest points of the skin tones. Then the right hand pointer is going to represent the brightest point of the skin tone. So later on, we are going to create a midpoint for the midtones of the skin tone or the mid color. So we're going to left click once and left click on the color option to open up the color picker or the stop color option. Then we are going to zoom into the photo that we want to copy colors from by using Ctrl+ on the keyboard and simply single click on the darkest point of the skin tone. So we're just going to single click on that is the darkest point of the skin tone and click OK. Then we are going to come to the brightest point of the skin or of this line right here. Left click once and simply left click over the color option and left click on the brightest point of the skin like that, and it's going to sample that color. So you can always change this if at all you feel like it has not been accurate for you. So this is the brightest point of the skin. Click OK. Then click in the middle, anywhere in the middle, and type in the location to 50, and that is going to place that right in the middle. So after putting the location 50, left click on the color option and click on a color that you feel should represent the midtone. So I'll just go with that color and I'll click OK. And you can see right now, this line is now containing the colors that are part of the face regarding the darkest color, the mid color, and the brightest color of the face area. So we're using the face as a reference point because we want the rest of the body to look like the face in this case. So we're going to come and simply click on OK. And after clicking OK, you can see that it is not showing the effect in real time. So what we have to do once again, come and now activate this layer by turning on the visibility icon, and come to the blend mode and change it from normal. Change it all the way down to color. But you can see that this is affecting the overall image and it is not looking natural at all. So in Photoshop, what we want to do, we just want to invert the effect from affecting the overall image. So in order to invert the effect, just come and select the white layer mask. Remember, in Photoshop, white is going to reveal and black is going to hide. So we just want to hide the effect from affecting the overall image. So just select the white layer mask and press Ctrl I, or you can use Command I on the keyboard if at all you are using Mac. For Windows, it is Ctrl I. Then for Mac, it is Command I. So just come and left click and select the brush tool. So it is the normal brush tool, and just come and make sure the hardness is set to 0% and soft round brush is selected. Make sure the opacity is set to 100% and the flow of 100%. So just come and make sure you have black and white on these two color swatches, because those are the colors that we're going to be dealing with as we are painting onto the skin. So if at all you have any other colors right on these two boxes, if at all you don't have black and white, you can press D on the keyboard. D is going to reset the colors to black and white automatically for you when you press D on the keyboard. So make sure you have black and white. So to switch between black and white, you can press X on the keyboard, or you can use this arrow. So make sure white is the foreground color or the top color and black is in the background. So like I said, white is going to reveal and black is going to hide. So after selecting the brush, simply increase on the size by using the bracket keys on the keyboard, and simply left click and hold down and start painting on the skin. So we're going to come and just paint on the skin. So just paint on the skin just like that, and you can see it is now trying to make the skin look even, but this is not all. So stick around and I show you how you can fine tune the result. So just come and paint. You can even come and paint on the face just like that. So I'm just going to come and paint on every area that has skin. Reduce on the size by using the right bracket and paint everywhere that has skin. So I'm just going to paint. Keep away from painting the hair or even some of the edges. And if at all you make a mistake during the painting process, this is how you can fine tune those mistakes. So just come and switch the brush back to black. So black is going to hide or erase the effects from some areas. So make sure you have painted every area. So black is going to hide or rub away the mistakes that you have. So if at all you painted there, switch back to black and it is going to hide or erase the effect from certain areas, for example the hair, or even if at all you have painted in the eyes. So I'm just going to zoom out, Ctrl minus to zoom out, and paint just like that on the outfit to erase the color grading from the outfit. So right now the image is looking a little bit oversaturated. So in order to fine tune this, we are going to come to the opacity and simply click on the drop down and reduce on the opacity to the one of your liking. So in that way it is going to blend the skin better. So if at all you are not comfortable with such results, you can now come and double click right here and open up the gradient editor, and you can as well change the colors by double clicking either on the midtones. If at all you feel the midtones are not okay for you, you can click and move around and change the midtone color to the one of your liking. So you can change it to whatever you want, or you can increase or decrease on the saturation levels and click OK. So just come once again and click OK. So this is the before after. Now the skin is looking nice and even, and the face is now matching with the rest of the body. So this is it for this video, and if at all you have enjoyed this, simply like this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel if at all you're watching and you're not subscribed yet to this channel. Ronix from Ronix Photography. Thank you for watching and see you in yet more videos on this channel. Don't forget to keep practicing and also keep creating.